Hi, this is the guide for healthy sexuality questions you can ask to help develop and own your sexuality. Now, what we mean by own is that you claim it, you're secure in how you define your sexuality, and it's something that you're very comfortable with. So the guide here corresponds with the developing healthy sexuality training, which is under the training section of the membership area. And the guide takes all the questions we ask in the training and has you reflect on them, maybe journal about them, and come to your own sense of how you feel about how you define your sexuality, and questions like what are your values and beliefs around your sexuality. There are 3 pages of questions, and remember, if you need any help or guidance, you can email me, you can comment in the membership area, or you can bring it to one of our monthly meetings. And as always, I would encourage you to just to give yourself time and reflect, because all these guides are to help you apply what is talked about to your life and developing your dating and relationship success. So have fun with them.